everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're gonna comparing about hand and body lotion. Well, now I'm gonna compare Nature A hand and body lotion and Marina UV White. Well, let's check it out. Okay guys, I'm gonna comparing both of this product. Well, the first one is the texture. Well, according to me, the texture of Marina UV White Bright and Fresh is thicker than Nature A hand and body lotion. Well, let's see the texture first. Right here, this is Marina. This is thicker than this one. Okay, let's try this one. This one is more liquid than this one after this one, and there is a pop in it, but here there is no pop. Okay, see, this is more liquid than this one, and this is thicker than this. Okay, number 3. Well, the sense of body lotion. Well, I think Marina UV White and Bright have stronger scents than Nature A hand and body lotion because I think the smell is not soft, but it is softer than this one. It's according to me. I like the smell of this one. It is softer, and well, let's talk about the packaging. Well, personally, I like the packaging of Nature A hand and body lotion because the packaging is better than Marina UV White Big. I think it is more simple than this one. So if you want to use this body lotion, you just press at the top of the bottle, and then you can get the content. Okay, the last one is we are comparing about the price. Well, according to me, the price of Nature A hand and body lotion is more expensive than Marina UV White because you can get this one, Nature A hand and body lotion, up to 20,000 rupiahs, but for Marina UV White Bright and Fresh, it's less than 20,000 rupiahs. Well, it is cheaper than this. Well, if you want to get a good result of this product, please use it by the book. That's all about comparing of hand and body lotion. Well, actually, if you have a dry skin, I recommend you to use Nature A hand and body lotion because it is more moisturizing than Marina UV White. Well, I think